You're searching for how to buy shares of Northeast Community Bancorp Inc., a regional community bank serving local customers. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NECB, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NECB to locate the listing. Select the result that clearly matches Northeast Community Bancorp Inc. on NASDAQ to open its stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct company. Make sure the company name and the NASDAQ ticker NECB match before continuing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade on the platform. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and make changes. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.